Hello, future engineers. There is another video in differential calculus. My suggestion for effective preparation to your evaluation, quiz, or exam, or board exam would be to pause the video up to this moment when all the exercises are shown. Pause the video up to this moment, then solve this problem by your own. That's the effective way to prepare for your board exam especially. Other suggestion is you have to mute the video. You just run it but mute the video so that you can't hear the explanation and understand the uh, animated solution. And my last suggestion is you have to pass forward the video, then read the solution silently. But the most effective way is the first suggestion that I made. For those who cannot do it, uh, of course, I doubt if you can master calculus or mathematics in general, which is needed for you to prepare or pass the board exam. So my first suggestion will have your greater chance topping the board exam. If you fail to top the board exam, you will definitely pass. The second and third suggestions will just be uh, at least you can pass, but there's also a big chance you will fail. So it's indeed important that you have to solve these exercises without uh, listening to the explanations and looking at the solutions. So first, W equals 1 minus x cubed to the negative 1 half times quantity 1 plus x cubed to the positive 1 half. So this is derivative of product. So derivative of W with respect to x is first quantity 1 minus x cubed to the negative 1 half. Derivative of second is 1 half quantity 1 plus x cubed to the negative 1 half times 3x squared. Then plus second 1 plus x cubed to the 1 half times negative 1 half quantity 1 minus x cubed to the negative 3 halves times negative 3x squared. Derivative of 1 minus x cubed, of course. Simplifying, this is 3 halves of x squared quantity 1 minus x cubed to the negative 1 half times quantity 1 plus x cubed to the negative 1 half, then plus 3 halves x squared quantity 1 plus x cubed to the positive 1 half 1 minus x cubed to the negative 3 halves. So factor out 3 halves x squared, then 1 minus x cubed to the negative 3 halves, then 1 plus x cubed to the negative 1 half. So dw dx is 3 halves x squared quantity 1 minus x cubed to the negative 3 halves times 1 plus x cubed to the negative 1 half. Then we'll have quantity 1 minus x cubed to the 1, then plus 1 plus x cubed to the positive 1. So that's the first here is 1 minus x cubed to the positive 1. So that 1 minus 3 half is negative 1 half. And the second term 1 plus x cubed to the power positive 1. So this is cancelled. The value inside the bracket is 2 divided by 2, so 1. So this would be dw dx is 3x squared 1 minus x cubed to the negative 3 halves, then 1 plus x cubed to the negative 1 half. Finally, we bring this in the denominator to have positive exponent. So dw dx is 3x squared over quantity 1 minus x cubed to the positive 3 halves, 1 plus x cubed to the positive 1 half. Then you can check the answer using the calculator technique and the technique I presented in the preceding slides if you want to verify this answer. So 32, v is e to the x, quantity 1 minus e to the negative 2x to the negative 1 half. This is again, so this is the checking, the other technique. So that's it for that case. So we proceed to problem 2. V32 e to the v is e to the x, quantity 1 minus e to the negative 2x raised to negative 1 half. So this is derivative of product again. So dv dx is e to the x times quantity negative 1 half times quantity 1 minus e to the negative 2x to the negative 3 halves times negative of e to the negative 2x, derivative of negative 2x, negative 2, plus copy second 1 minus e to the negative 2x to the negative 1 half times e to the x. So simplifying, this is negative e to the negative x times quantity 1 minus e to the negative 2x to the negative 3 halves, then plus e to the x 1 minus e to the negative 2x to the negative 1 half. So for these two terms, for e to the x, the common is e to the negative 2x and least e to the negative 2x, then this one 1 minus e to the negative 2x to the negative 3 halves. So e to the negative x, quantity 1 minus e to the negative 2x to the negative 3 halves times quantity 1, then plus e to the 2x, negative 1, so because this is negative e to the negative x, so negative 1, then e to the 2x times quantity 1 minus e to the negative 2x raised to 1. Simplifying further, the quantity inside this bracket is e to the 2x minus 1, e to the 0, 1. Then we have negative 1. So this is e to the 2x minus 2. So dv dx is e to the 2x minus 2. This is the value inside this bracket. Then put this down to have positive exponents. So we have here e to the x quantity 1 minus e to the negative 2x to the positive 3 halves. So check this answer again using your high-tech calculator and using this approach here. The answer should match. So next, 33x is ln of t squared over 1 minus t cubed quantity square. So we break this into x is ln of t squared minus ln of quantity 1 minus t cubed quantity square. Although you can treat this entire expression ln of this something here as u if you want for your alternate solution, but I just differentiate this by breaking ln into this manner. So dx dt is 2t ln of t squared, ln of u, so du over u. So dx dt is 2t over t squared, then minus 2 times quantity, so minus ln of u, this is the u, so minus 2 times quantity 1 minus t cubed raised to 1 times negative 3t squared over 1 minus t cubed quantity squared over u, right? So simplifying, this is 2 over t Then this is plus plus 6t squared times 1 minus t cubed. So dx dt is 2 over t plus 6t squared over 1 minus t cubed. After we cancel 1 minus t cubed here, 1 minus t cubed, we have 1 minus t cubed raised to 1. 1 in the denominator, and the numerator is negative 2 times negative 3t squared, so that's why we have positive 6t squared. Simplifying algebraically, which is this is the LCD, so dx dt is 2 minus 2t cubed plus 6t cubed all over t quantity 1 minus t cubed. 1 minus t cubed. So combining like terms, dx dt is equal to factor out 2. So 2 times 2t cubed plus 1 or 1 plus 2t cubed over t 1 minus t cubed. So that's it for that problem. Then problem 34, x is t cubed over 1 plus 3t squared. This is derivative of ratio. So denominator 1 dx dt is 1 plus 3t squared times 2t minus numerator t squared times 6t all over 1 plus 3t squared quantity squared. Simplifying the numerator, this is 6t cubed negative 6t cubed, so 2t. So dx dt is equal to 2t plus 6t cubed minus 6t cubed over 1 plus 3t squared quantity squared. So the final answer, dx dt is 2t over quantity 1 plus 3t squared quantity squared. So that's it for this video.